Hey guys, it's Damien from Marketing Food Online. And again, as always, you guys, I hope you're having a great day. So, kitchen incubators, what exactly is it? And where can I get a kitchen, a commercial kitchen in my area? If you're looking to produce a food product and you can't do it from home, but you're looking for a commercial kitchen that offers a little bit more than just some tables, a stove, and a sink, culinary incubator.com is actually a very, very interesting resource. So I wanted to bring it to you guys. I came across this website and I'm super excited actually about bringing this to you. And this is a website that actually has a list by state of 726 kitchens in their database right now that offer these types of these types of commercial kitchens. So now an incubator is slightly different than just a commercial kitchen. They offer services to help grow your business, advertising, e-commerce, how to get funding, how to get the right licensing, understanding small business, and how to get a small business, food business actually, up and running. So many of these incubators are commercial kitchens, yes, but they also have a lot of other resources to help you get your business up and running, plus help you understand the differences in the food business world in regards to licenses and such. So what you do here is you can actually select a state. I'm going to go to any state, and this is going to be the larger list here. It's done alphabetically, of course, and it shows you by state where the commercial kitchen is. So let's get started. To begin with, it's called culinary-incubator.com. This name here, .com. And by the way, they have, if you actually have a commercial kitchen and you're watching some of our videos, you want to register it, you can actually register. It's free. They do not charge for the listing. But to check out the list, you simply scroll down here. This drop-down menu where you can select a state. If you're in a certain state, let's say California, you can select California, give it a second to load up, and there you go. It literally tells you it's got 93 registered kitchens. Now, understand this. This is not all of the kitchens in California. These are just the kitchens who have registered specifically with this website. So the website alone has 93, which is an enormous amount. I mean, these are full-blown commercial kitchens that you can rent. And basically what you do is you scroll down, you could find your city, obviously a city that's closest to you. If it's not in your city, if there's one closest, let's say, for instance, we'll pick one out here in Campbell, California, and you simply click on the kitchen. And now check out the information it gives you. You scroll down, all of the information here, the selected kitchen that you choose has the name of it, the address, phone, website, et cetera, and in the description, the details about what it has. So this one has, let's see, 2 kitchen rental facilities, one in Campbell and one in Santa Clara. Our hours of space can be limited, so please call for availability, et cetera. Now, some of these kitchens actually will go into, let's see if this one does it, much more detail. This one has, no, this one's just a basic information about it. Okay. Some of them on the right side here will show you below this information the types of sinks they have, if it's a walk-in freezer, walk-in coolers, the type of tables, the different utensils, whatever else it needs, storage space, etc. That's going to all be here on the right side. Okay. So as you scroll down, find your state. And again, these are the types of kitchens. Let me see, is that in Canada? Oh, wow, they do have them in Canada as well. I didn't even know that. And each state, as you go down, there's just tons. There's hundreds of them, of course, over 700 listed here. So what you want to do is you want to find out what that kitchen has and what they specifically offer. But this website makes it super easy for you guys. I'm always trying to bring you resources to help you grow your food business. This one makes it really easy to locate it by state. Sometimes Googling them and trying to go through all the searches on Google, it can be, pulling out your hair situation, driving you crazy to find one. So I thought I'd bring this resource to you because it's a great resource for you to check out. And if you do get a chance to take a look at this, if you guys have some feedback or description down in the description area, let me know if you have any questions or if you've actually worked with some of these kitchens through this database. But it's a very simple, easy to navigate website. And again, you can find them anywhere. And let's try to find one. This is in Arizona. I wanted to show you the ones that have that much more detailed description. 200 square feet. Okay, so this one's a little bit more descriptive. So this gives you, it has over 2,000 square feet. That's pretty big. 7 commercial ovens, 18 burners, and much more. So this type of space, keep in mind though, when you want to locate one, once you find one, if you're utilizing this list, that's great. That's the reason why I give it to you guys. Double check with them in regards to their insurance, their licensing, if they have the space available when you need it. And if they don't, you got to be understanding, because a lot of times multiple businesses will be renting these spaces. So when they do that, you want to plan it out in a couple weeks in advance. So let's say you are running a catering business, or you're just starting a catering business, and you're kind of learning the ins and outs of how to get a commercial kitchen to use for your events. You want to make sure you plan it. If you've got an event 2 months out, I would highly recommend you call them as soon as possible to make sure that you can get in there for the schedule wise, because there's a lot of independent caterers that will be utilizing these types of facilities. And with that, you want to make sure that you can squeeze yourself in there, in a sense, when they have the space available. Now, if you're new to a food business, the incubators, again, are something that have much more resources than just the kitchen, like I mentioned earlier. They can help develop a food product. Many of them have professional chefs or chefs that have been in the food business for a long time. Those that are also in the business world, local business owners that actually volunteer their time to help up-and-coming startup companies. So they'll give you some understanding of licenses, the different types of insurances that you would need to have. If you're looking for any additional advertising or marketing, which you may not have any experience in that, incubators are great for that, aside from just renting the space. And double check with them, because some of them listed here may strictly be just commercial kitchens, and then some of them may actually be incubators that have that full-blown everything to help you develop your business. So I'm going to wrap it up. With that being said, I do appreciate you guys taking it. I wanted to do this really, really quick, and I wanted to show you guys this. So if you get a chance, take a look at this yourself. I'll put a direct link, of course, down in the description. You can check out the website for yourself. And then from there, you can find one that's closest to you. Some of the states that have the most that I notice, of course, are California, Florida, and New York. Texas actually has quite a few as well. But if you also have a kitchen and you're maybe looking to promote it, this is a great website you can actually register with. So I thank you guys. And as always, if you're not subscribed, double check and hit that subscription button. We've got over 400 videos to help you develop your food product or your food business up and running. And check us out at marketingfoodonline.com. We have a lot of other resources there, and also some consulting. If you are interested in consulting, you need to work with me directly. I do have several different ways that you can work with me. We have our email consulting, which is a monthly subscription, and we also have phone consultations that are done by the hour. So thank you guys. I do take